Yeah, what's up? You probably can't hear me because I got this helmet on. I take the toys out. Shout out to Victory Motors out here in Mineola. New toy. That's how we do. Add to the E-Wright collection. 2016 Polaris Slingshot. Put that on the E-Wright collection. About to take it on the road. What's good? Y'all see me. Y'all see what it is. About to take it on the road. See what's good. They threw the plates on. I'll let y'all know. This shit is crazy here too. You know, because this is how we doing it in this day and time, you know. It's that music money. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Anyway, this is what it looked like inside. Alright. So up the south side, BK, Flatbush. All the places where I know a lot of people. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'm about to be out with it, alright? Peace.
Girl, you're by yourself. Climb up in this truck, trying to show you love. I'm not trying to fall. Won't you ride with me? Ride with me, babe. Won't you ride with me? Ride with me, babe. Girl, you looking like this, like that blunt you lit. He don't know what he got, 'cause baby, you the shit. Girl, you're nice and thick, so sexy in that fit, just as simple as it gets. Girl, you deserve a tip. I'm looking at your curves, I'm looking at your hips. So beautiful, girl, I just wanna kiss your lips. She get it from her mama, but she looking like her sis. When she got up in my whip, didn't know it can get like this. Won't you ride with me? Ride with me.